Leli qembu libheke kakhulu omasipala abathathu eNorth West.
Our first at the top of our list is Ramosare Muilwa, it's Ditsobotla, it's Ratlo, it's Likwataman. The reason why we are taking this from these municipalities, we have worked our ground. We have managed to influence majority of the voters to vote for us.
Liphinde lethula amalungu akaqeleza obumeya komasipala kanti lapho bengenele khona ukhetho bathi bazohambisa phambili ukuthunyelwa kwezidingo emphakathini.
1.5 years we were suspended from the municipality, tried to suspend us out because with the decisions we took to remove the mayor and the MM at one stage when we in council, and when we did that and immediately we've got suspension letters.
I-Forum for Service Delivery yamukele amalungu abalelwe emakhulwini amane aqembuke kwamanye amaqembu ombusazwe.
I decided to join Forum for Service Delivery because they deliver services to people.
Nakuba leli qembu lingazange lithole isihlalo kumasipala wendawo eRamotsere ngo-2016 kodwa manje linethemba lokuthi lizokwenza kangcono kakhulu kulolu khetho lwakulonyaka.